Hey everyone, welcome to Unit 38 at 4400 Millcroft Park Drive here in beautiful Burlington. You're just steps away from the golf course. Come on in and let's take a tour of this stunning bungalow. So as Jonathan brings you in, you're going to see your first of the 2 bedrooms on the living level here. Tons of natural light pouring in from that big window. The eyebrow detailing there across the top ushers in even more natural light. Now as you travel down your front hall, you'll notice on the right you have access to a single car garage, lots of storage space at the front of the garage too. And then here you have a coat closet. The whole front foyer area here is done in this beautiful gray tile. So again, it's hard wearing, nice and durable. When you're coming in and out, particularly in those winter months, you don't have to worry about your hardwood floors becoming damaged. As you come in, you'll see that the owners have installed a nice runner here over top of the luxurious hardwood flooring. And Jonathan's going to bring you in and around and we'll show you the real showstopper space for this home is the kitchen. So you can see nothing in here is original to the construction of the home. It's all been thoroughly updated. Everything from the beautiful stainless steel appliances, stone countertops, and even the custom cabinetry. You can see they took out the bulkheads. They ran it all the way up and you have these beautiful moldings at the top too. All these cabinet doors are soft close. The island has storage all underneath here as well, and you can see it would easily accommodate 4 adults. Alternatively, if you're having a get-together, you could open this space out here and have a beautiful spread on this counter. It's a great space for entertaining. This home is perfectly suited to any downsizer, and what's nice is you're never going to struggle for space. You know, we're over 2,400 square feet total here of living space. That includes upstairs as well as the lower level. And you can see you've got a great amount of room for entertaining here. A spacious dining table that could easily be extended out to accommodate more guests. Beautiful big window there, and you've got space if you had a hutch or something that you wanted to add here too. And the formal living room is very spacious. The homeowner here, we're fortunate, has things nice and open, so you get a good view of the space. But you can see you could easily add in a sectional, coffee table, whatever you might need to accommodate if you're coming here from a larger home. You have access here to the backyard space. So as we continue through the main floor here, you'll see that you have a beautifully decorated 3-piece bathroom. You can see they've recently redone the vanity in there too, just to modernize the space. Nice neutral tile, glass step-in shower. And this would be your bathroom for obviously guests as well as anybody using that front bedroom. The other side of the hallway here, Jonathan will pan around, you do have access to your laundry suite as well. So it's nice that they've put that on the main level. You don't have to go up and down the stairs when you're doing laundry. I'll take you along here and we'll go see our primary bedroom suite. Jonathan comes in, you'll notice it's a great size in here. This is a queen, but you could easily accommodate a king-size bed in here. Double-sized closet on your right. See, again, lovely large windows ushering in lots of natural light, which is so important. And you see as well out there the beautiful trees and the gardens from the backyard. It's just so well manicured here. Then we'll show you this beautiful primary ensuite. So they've got a generously proportioned glass shower. There's a beautiful bench that's been integrated into that shower space as well. It's all nicely tiled in. Again, double vanity, which is great. Nobody's fighting over using the sink. Lots of nice storage space underneath as well with all this cabinetry. And again, this has all been renovated. Nice stone countertops as well. And the beautiful big tiles located on the floor too. Really is spa-like and serene in here. Welcome to your lower level space. So on your right, there is a spacious bedroom complete with 2-piece ensuite. We're gonna cut to some B-roll of that now because through our staging, unfortunately, we invaded that space a little bit and we want you to see it at its best. So as you come in, again, there's a great TV room set up here. So these bungalows are great because you have so much usable space. It almost feels like a whole second home down here. If you wanted to put a pool table or something like that down here, tons of space. Also, some people like to put their dining space on the lower level. to save some room upstairs. Easily could be accommodated. And again, you can see full-size furniture. So anybody who's downsizing, you could easily accommodate the furniture suite that you currently have in your larger home. Gas fireplace and large windows, which usher in lots of nice natural light. It makes it feel like this is a continuation of that living space upstairs. It doesn't feel like you're coming into this dark and dingy basement space. Now follow me and we'll take a look at the final space here in the basement. Again, another spacious room. You could convert this into a bedroom if you like. There's a window just here. They have it currently set up as a little wine bar area and office. You could argue that that's kind of handy having it so close to the office. Lovely laminate flooring here in the basement as well. It's a nice neutral color. It's something that's pretty timeless. Well, we thought we'd round out the tour with a quick shot of the backyard. It's a beautiful private space here. You feel cocooned in this little close-knit community. It's the perfect place to just relax and unwind after a long day. Feel free to visit our website, williamsfamilyrealestate.com, for more information on this beautiful listing. And for your opportunity to come for a private showing, feel free to shoot us a DM or send us an email through our website.